Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. So today in this video, I'll tell you how to introduce yourself in any interview. This question is mandatorily asked in any interview. So, it is always a good idea to prepare for any most expected question beforehand. So, so let us see how to introduce yourself in any interview. First thing, greet your interviewer. If your time allotted is in the morning, then good morning, else good afternoon or good evening. After greeting the interviewer, start your introduction with your name. Like my name is XYZ or I am XYZ. Don't start your introduction with myself XYZ or this is XYZ. Both of these, myself and this is XYZ, is not correct. Okay, so remember this and start your introduction with my name is XYZ or I am XYZ. Next, you can skip your school's name because it is already mentioned in your CV. So school's name can be skipped, and in place of that, what you can say is I was born and brought up in Delhi, or your city's name. I've written Delhi just for reference. So you can say I was born and brought up in Delhi. This actually sums up your schooling detail and your hometown detail. Okay, if you have done your schooling from another place, you can say that also, that I was born in this place and I was brought up in this place. Okay. Next, what you can say is your education detail in just one or two lines. Like I have mentioned here, I'm currently pursuing BTech in CSC from your university or your college's name. Okay. Then you can mention your favorite subjects. Choose your favorite subjects very wisely. Choose the subject in which you are confident that you can answer any question asked from that subject. Okay, the interviewer will be listening to you very carefully, so don't think that the interviewer will not listen to anything that you say in your introduction. So say only things you are confident in. Okay, so suppose you say data structure. Say data structure only if you are confident enough that you'll answer any question that will be asked from data structure, be it array, linked list, or anything. Okay. The next point is mention about your projects you have made or any internship you have done if you are confident enough. Yes, again, you can mention about your project or internship, not necessarily your final year project, any project you know in and out. Mention about your project only if you are confident enough to answer all the questions, like the technologies used, the problems you faced during the project, the further scope of that project, what was your role in that project. So all of these things. You should know everything about the project or any internship if you have done. Also, for people who are not confident in the subjects or programming languages in their CV, uh, if you are confident in your project that you have made, so you can direct your interview towards your project. You can talk more about your project in your introduction, and the interviewer will listen to that and he might ask you questions only on that. Okay, so it is very important to say things that you're confident enough in your introduction. Okay, and this because your introduction will only direct your interview further. Next question, next line, what you can mention is you can mention about your hobbies, that I like watching cricket, or I like playing sports, I like cooking, I'm good in dancing, I like music. You can also mention your strengths and weaknesses in 2 to 3 lines maximum. Okay. Then last but not the least, don't end your introduction abruptly. Try to add any impressive kind of sentence at the end of your introduction. Don't just say that's all about me. After saying your hobbies, you'll just say that's all about me. You don't end it like that, and add any sentence that would grasp the interviewer's attention towards you. So I have written few examples for that. First one is I hope to be an asset to the company. And the next one is I'm delighted to be here today and looking forward to join name of the company. Suppose it is Wipro. So you can say I'm delighted to be here today and looking forward to join Wipro and explore new dimensions. And then lastly, you can say thank you. So that's all about how to introduce yourself. Next, what you have to do is try to write down your introduction, frame all those lines, and write down it in a piece of paper and read it aloud in front of your mirror. This will surely boost your confidence. Also, in the note, I have written that don't mug up the intro. Yes, don't mug up your introduction. I'm saying this because it should not sound like you have by hearted a paragraph and then you are just saying that in front of your interviewer. It should not sound like a robot just, you know, saying things that it has mugged up. So it should be natural and organic. So try to make change. You can make changes from what you have written in that piece of paper. Use that introduction that you have written as a reference for your real introduction that you'll give in your interview. Okay, use these points and you can make changes while giving your real interview. Also, if you have any doubt or you want any suggestion for your introduction, you can DM me on Instagram. The link is in description. I would try my best to help you with that. Um, Also, if you want to give mock interview, uh, I'm putting the link in description. You can um, check that video out and know how you can proceed with that. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Please share it with your friends and family. And thank you.